Hello, your old pal Irish Kevin here with another project. Just showing you if I can do it, so can you. Roses are red, violets are blue. Some projects are planned, this one isn't. Today we have to deal with my garage door opener, which decided to break. Let me show you. It's one of these guys here. This thing, which holds this gearbox, or actually this gear, I'm going to call it the woofer gear. This thing, which holds the woofer gear, and the coniferin pin, which spins the gearbox, which opens and closes the garage door. This broke off. Now, looks like an easy fix. No, of course not. Let me show you why. Because that part is connected to the whole housing. The new garage door opener has arrived. We've decided to go with this one for several reasons. One is it went on sale for $148. That's the main reason. Looking at reviews of all the garage door openers out there, they all have some consistent bad reviews, so this one's no exception, but I do have a 90-day return policy if it really is that bad, so I'm gonna put it up. All right, here is why we decided to go with this one in the end. It has a battery backup. It's not included, but I already have one. That'll fit in there. And there's these other ports where we can attach other cool things. I'll get to that in a second. It comes with all of this crapola. Oh yeah, see this right here? Right there. See that? That is an extension cord. That'll fit on there. You can get a fan, whatever. Tire pump, whatever. Bluetooth radio, whatever. But the laser point parky thing, that's the cool thing. Because then I can get rid of that sucker. Plus it has the, there we go, Wi-Fi app enabled. It'll work during a power outage. Okay, but first, that has got to go. That's what held up the old garage door opener for quite a long time, and it did its job, but we're going to do it right. That is back when I didn't know squat about squat. Okay, so now it is time to put up the new trusses. This is going to be the new brackets for the garage door opener. I got 5 feet of this. We're going to cut it down to size to make our new trusses so that our garage door opener stays sturdy. What am I going to use to cut the brackets? Well, I'm going to have Groot help me out. Groot, help me find something to cut this piece of metal. I am Groot. No, Groot, that's a bow saw. That's not going to work. I am Groot. No, Groot, those are pruning shears. Groot, those are hedge trimmers. Please try again. I am Groot. Groot, I think that'll work. A rotary metal cutting tool. Nice. We just need what it connects to. All right, we got our Dremel rotary tool. We have our attachment, and we have our cutting tools. So we're gonna hook it up and cut this bracket. Ba-bam! These are the pieces that we cut. These will be the vertical. All right, now we're at the install the garage door opener part of the video. Here's the instruction book. Who needs that? Here's the quick installation guide. Forget it. All right, let's have a look inside, peoples. Aha, there it is. Yeah. Check it out. Time to install the front brace and the tensioner. Alright, we're gonna use this. And no, I'm not a spokesperson for Ryobi. Alright, we have it properly tensioned. So we're gonna hook the track up to the motor. I've left the styrofoam on so that I don't damage the bottom. Put on the sprocket. Now put on the track. There we go. Put on the brackets. And bolt it down. Alright, so we got this set up here. We're going to connect that. It's down here on the ground. Alright, so we're ready to go. And yes, I bungeed it to the ladder so it doesn't fall off. Alright, and we're hung. Alright, so what I did here is, it says install with the holes as far apart as possible. So here and here. And I did that because it'll actually have less stress on the door as it pulls it up. Alright, now we're going to put on the bracket. One goes to the electric eye, one goes to the inside garage door push button opener. Alright, here we go. Okay, so we're just going to hope that blue is gray and blue white. There it is, the opener right behind me. Now for the test of truth. We are going to plug it in and see if it works. Yep, it's working. Hold this sucker for 3 seconds. Beautiful. Move this down. Back up. I think that's a good spot. Set. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3. And working. It works. Our keypad's a little different than what we have here. This one's showing a wired setup. We have a wireless setup, and there's the receiver. So we will follow the directions. I guess it's nice to have the existing holes. Alright, now we're level. Alright, slap it on. Ba-boom. Cool, now we're going to put this thing up. This is the Wi-Fi door sensor for the Wi-Fi. I've already mounted the hardware on this end. Tighten it down. Not too tight. You've mounted the battery. This goes right in there. I say put it as high on the door as you can, either to the left or to the right. We have chosen the left because, here's why. It has an equal and opposite partner, this thing right here. It's kind of dark in here, but it is most line of sight to this. I don't know if it needs to be line of sight, but we kind of hang our clothes out here for a while till they make it into the house. All right, we have successfully installed the garage door opener. So when I'm driving home, I usually hit the opener here at the edge of the property. I think it's working. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So far, the range is fine. And now we're going to install the outdoor keypad. This guy right here. Ta-da! Beautiful. They're even nice enough to give you a 9-volt battery. Alright, I've already marked the spot where we're going to drill the first hole. It is right dead center in the middle. This is block construction, so you do need a special drill bit to go through this, and I already have that installed. Alright. Alright, install first screw. Nice and slow. Right on. All right, simple enough. Open her up. All right. We want to make sure it's level. Mark it up. Drill away. Just so we don't break it, we're gonna want to remove that. All right, hang it on. Hear all the crunching. I'm just gonna do it by hand because I don't want to break the unit. That's it. Insert the battery and we are ready to program. All right, we're gonna program this thing. It says press and hold 1. So we're going to do that, press and hold the program, then put in our program numbers. Of course, what else would it be?
All right, keep on talking. So, there's your montage. And you can put it together.
God damn it.
Ooh, I got light on this thing. That's badass.
Focus, you little shit. You wee shit. Delete this thing.
It's hot as balls in here.
Because it's hot as balls in here.
You can hear that. That's some thunder. Thunder! That's bad.
Thunder to follow.
Alright. Go over to the other one. Whatever. We're gonna take this sucker down. All right, so we have red. You better watch your mouth, boy. All right, we have yellow and green. Yellow and green night. Ridiculous. Ridiculous.
All right, here we are, up in the rafters, looking at the garage door opener. Why do I keep saying and? Stop that.
And set. I'm not sure what that means, but it can't be good. So I think we're gonna go with, it's time for an, all right, I think we're gonna, hey, my neighbor.
We'll test the up again. Up. Ooh, up. I've already tested it, so it's cool. I usually. I'm gonna use this. No, I'm not. Take 2.
Don't really know what 2HP asterisk, which means exception with a small s, means. 2 hippopotamuses, 2 HPVs, 2 horsepowers. But why would you need 2 horsepowers or 2 horses to open a garage door that I can live with? The description said there was 2 motors, so maybe it's 2. It's ultra quiet. Okay.
Neighbors driving by, waving to say hello. If I can get this away, watch this. Easy, easy. You stupid thing. Come on. There we go. Hee hee. It's Irish Kevin time. Dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun. Kevin time.